Morgolu. This dish is a tasty side dish with a sweet twist. I have already posted the video of Dudya Morgolu. Find the link in the description below. I had gosale ridge gourds growing in my garden and also got a fresh piece of banana stem. So decided to make a video of gosale Morgolu by my friends Sujata Umesh and Sunita Vinod, whose recipes I had documented in our KKAJ blog. Here are two ridge gourds I am using to make the Morgolu. First, to remove the ridges. If you take a thicker slice of the ridges, you can make a tasty chutney of this. Find the link in the description below. Trim the edges and chop into medium-sized pieces. Splatter 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds in a little oil. Then add half teaspoon of urad dal. When it browns, add the gosale pieces and a little water. Add a little salt and let cook. When half cooked, add a quarter cup of grated coconut and some grated jaggery. Let cook on low flame until it has turned dry. Now this tasty dish is ready to be served.
सर्वांके नमस्कार. आता चहा पावस चालू तर की तहसील राम दे सगळं अपलोड करता ते सगळं तुमका इष्ट जाता म्हणून म्हाका दिसता आणि के व्हिडिओस घालूसला प्रेरणा तुम्ही तर दिमका ते देखून व्हिडिओस लाईक कराई तुमच्या फ्रेंड्सांक सगळं शेअर कराई आणि सबस्क्राईब करू काही सांगता तुला.
For Gabya Morgolu, splatter 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds in a little oil. Then add half teaspoon of urad dal and 1 broken red chili. When it browns, add fine chopped gabba. I have already shown in previous videos chopping of gabba. Now add a quarter cup of grated coconut. To this add a little water and a little salt to cook. When this has half cooked, add grated jaggery and let cook on low flame till it has become dry. This yum dish is now ready to be served. Do try making these dishes and enjoy your meal. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.